Here are 5 tips that will take your scratch art to the next level. The first one is the rounded rectangle. You'll want to select the pointer tool for this one. If you want to move your shapes by 45-degree increments, then all you have to do is hold Shift and rotate the shape. The next tip will make sure that you get all your shapes equal. Press Shift while resizing the shape to make sure that the shape is precise. The last tip works with any shape or combination. Get your shape on, but make sure to zoom in. Press the bitmap button. And then resize it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out my brand new website.